In this video, I want to show you guys how to take an image like this, then turn it into this, all without using any Photoshop, all in camera, and the best part, you could do it for under $5. This video is brought to you by Triangle Space. Whether you're trying to advance the Illuminati agenda or creating a new conspiracy, just give them a call and speak to one of their New World organizers and see how they can help. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Film is More Fun. So, for anybody who's followed the channel for any length of time, you know that, this is pretty much a film photography channel. Hence the name Film is More Fun, right? So, most of the DIYs, the hacks, and just the stuff that I'm talking about is related to film photography. But this hack in particular, it could be used also for your digital cameras. And I love the effects that what we're going to do will create. So, digitals can benefit from this as well. So to get some images like this, we're going to make a filter. And to do this, we're going to need some kaleidoscope glasses, a regular filter, could be a skylight, any colored filter, polarizer, anything you're okay with basically destroying the glass out of. And, and if you don't have a filter, like a step-up ring is another option as well. So to make this filter, we're going to basically pop out the lens from the glasses, and then you take your filter and you either pop out or somehow, very carefully, obviously, break the glass out of the filter. And, it's worth noting too, make sure that the diameter of the filter ring that you're using matches the diameter of the glasses. It's kind of important because you want the lens from the glasses to slip inside the ring. So, once the glass is removed from your filter, and you could put some glue or some adhesive or something along the inside, and then just basically slip the glasses lens right where the glass for the filter was. And I want to mention too, you don't necessarily need to make a filter out of this. You could just as easily take the glasses and hold the glasses in front of your camera, which is what I did when I was first testing this out. But, I understand why you might want to keep these to strut around town because you look pretty stylish. In this first image, there's no filter, okay? It's just a rando picture of a church. Okay, these other two images, I used the filter, and you see the major differences between them, and all I did was slightly move the camera, kind of tilt the angle, just, very, very slightly. Yeah, there's a big shift in the image framing, and then also, the colors are just completely different. And speaking of the crazy view, this is basically what you're going to see when you look through the viewfinder. Now, the effect from doing this is kind of similar to what you would get if you used like a standard multi-image filter. I have a Tiffin 5-way and 3-way, and I know, other brands make 9 ways, 8 ways. There's a whole bunch of multipliers. But the cool thing about this filter is you get that added layer of rainbowness. Okay, it's like just a bunch of unpredictable splash of color that you wouldn't get otherwise with these regular multi-filters. And after poking around on the web, I did actually find some filters that were made specifically similar to this idea. The only problem is, you're paying almost $100, once you pay shipping and all that stuff for something that, as a DIY option, you can get for $5. These glasses now I've seen online for as cheap as $2.99, $3. That's under $5, and you can just go out and have a blast with this. So what do you guys think of this technique? And I wanted to ask too, do you know of any other, filters or just kind of rainbow, effects really? Kind of cheap, I like to stay on the cheap if possible, but I'd love to hear your ideas about other ways to get just some cool effects. Please drop me a comment or shoot me a DM over at Instagram. I'd really like to know. Oh, and I wanted to mention too, I've recently put up a couple prints on eBay. So these are darkroom prints that I've made. I'll put a link below in the description if you guys are interested to check those out. Smash that like button. It helps Google and YouTube give us the juice for other people to find the channel, find the video. If you found the video interesting or entertaining, if you could just, hit the like button, that would be just super dandy. Like I said, hope everybody's well, and until next time, we'll see you.